Scott, it's okay.
It's recorded now.
You gotta be right with me now, if I do it.
Yeah, now that's recorded. You're recording. Okay, so we've got two GoPros running. Okay, now there's two ways to get up there. Mike went underneath the rock.
Ooh, you're right too. Right there. Got some bright lights.
Want some bios up there, Mike?
Okay, there's two ways to get up here.
Yeah.
Okay, now, first, before I explain that, this room has several different passages off of it. When I said it was a maze cave, there's a passage that goes out there, which we're not going to go into because that's really tiny. It gets down to about this big. Okay?
You been in there before?
Huh?
You been in there before?
Yeah. I only got stuck once. And it actually goes around and comes back out this crack here. Okay? So that tells you
That
about
one right here?
I was like 30 pounds lighter when I did that, so it is tough. There's a way here.
How about climb up there?
That's kind of tight too. It's about like this big. We may try that on the way back. Anybody wants to try that? And we're going to go up here. Okay?
How big is that crawl space?
What's crawl space?
Wait, Alan, so the people that are walking, they're walking that way?
No, we're going to go this way.
Everybody's going that way.
So
y'all got no space.
there's a couple of different ways to do this. You can go underneath, like old man Mike did, and come out the other side, and to go up
You going first?
this crack here. Okay? Or
How
you
about
can come on the outside here and climb up here. You put 1 foot here.
I'm gonna do this.
Okay? The next foot here, and the next foot here. And you're going to hold on to this stump here and this ledge here. So come up here, come up here, stand up here.
I mean, come back down. Yeah, it's big.
Okay, just stand up there. Okay, just turn around, stand and face me. Okay? You want to put
It's
this,
not even that bad.
this foot here.
It's not. No, it's not. Oh, she went under.
Put this foot here. Okay, hold on up here.
And then it's like stairs.
Okay, you want this foot to come up to here. Okay? And I'm going to be right here to catch you.
You got it.
Okay? Oh man, very good, very good.
Easy.
Oh, can I
Very
do
good.
it?
Yes.
Y'all wanna do this? Who wanna do this one?
I'm doing that.
Wait,
I'm going. Well done.
and then
No, 1 foot here,
Wait.
1 foot here. Oh, hold up. She's not gone yet.
Charlotte, don't get stuck.
We don't want to get too
You just don't want to get.
But you can try if you want to try.
we've got plenty of time to do this, okay?
Maybe I'll do
We're not in a hurry.
Shiloh, don't get so scary. Here, everybody shoot that.
Once she goes, then you can go, okay? You're gonna put a foot here, I'm gonna hold it, okay? And then you're gonna put the next foot here, okay? And just hold on to what you got there.
So that's really stuck there.
Oh, yeah.
It's not
How do I do I've been there for hundreds of years.
You're doing it.
I'm sick, man.
You got this.
My pants are kind of tight.
Girl, you're fine.
You're
got
okay.
this. I believe in
We
you.
believe in you, Shy.
Shot.
Wait, no, don't do that.
I can't see. There's no light up here.
Put your, bring your flashlight up now.
We're page at page 5. Smash some white lights.
Is it better?
Very good, okay, now you can go.
Fashionable.
Put up here. Okay, I'm gonna hold this foot. Swing your other foot to here. That's it, perfect. Wow.
Ow!
Easy peasy.
Oh, I'm scared, Alan.
Good. Being scared keeps you alive.
Okay, what I'm doing?
Gonna put,
Now that
Wait, what do I put my hands?
I see how it is.
hold onto that stump and this shelf right over on this side.
Feels a little better than being
Okay, now you're gonna put your right foot here
It's like how
Your left foot here.
Go back and go
Yeah.
back.
and then swing your right foot over to here, okay? And I'm gonna hold this foot in place.
Okay, I put my right foot there.
You can do whatever you want to do. If you want to do that, that's okay.
Really having a good laugh, and it would go down other little tunnels, and the next thing you know, you grab your hand.
Yeah, you want to get up high enough. Yeah, that's why I'm suggesting you go there, okay?
I'm gonna slip though.
You won't slip. You're not going to go far if you do.
Now
Because I'm here.
inside there, terrified, scared, like just go.
That's it. Now that I'm there. Now I've got this foot. That's it. That's it. You got it. That's it.
I heard this guy, he got
Keep pushing.
Wait, Scott. Upside.
There you go. Awesome. Awesome.
Still in the cage.
Okay, who's next?
No, he's actually happy.
You are.
This guy's up and down. Like, his
I'm proud of you.
still off because it's like raised bear.
You guys are doing
It
good.
was like a whole.
For never having done this before, you guys are doing really good.
And I'm like, how far y'all
You're doing good. Just come up to here.
I can't go.
What you can do, if you turn around, you can sit up here. Push yourself up and sit up here.
Peace in caves. That's what kind.
I can't do that.
Yes, you can.
You've got up.
Oh,
It's
what
easy.
I do?
You're more than strong enough.
We do this.
You got this.
But your legs are the strongest part.
This is like an army, like a
Do you want some help?
headgear.
Yes.
All right, hold on. Let me get up there.
I can't go there.
I just wait.
I'm going to try to stay out of your way. What I want you to do, you're doing really good. Can you? That's it. That's it. Turn around. That's it. Okay. Now, can you get a foot up higher? Your other foot up higher? Because you want to push away from yourself, towards me, towards me. Not up there yet. Come towards me and sit right here. Sit right here. Okay, that's it. You got this. Can you get your foot up there?
I can't.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Here, hold on, and pull yourself up. Pull yourself up and sit here.
I feel like I'm gonna fall.
You're not gonna fall. That's it. Now, see, that wasn't too bad, was it? You're sitting good. You can hold on to. See right here, there's a little lip here you can hold on to. You can do that. You can come up here. Let me get out of your way. Okay. Now come up here. A little bit more. That's it. No, you're not going to fall. Because I'm coming over here and I'm going to be in the way. That's it. Okay.
You got this.
What are you doing to my helmet? That's it. See, I'm blocking the hole. You're not going to go anywhere. Okay, now stand up. And go up there. Take your time.
Tell me how it is.
We should do that.
I'm thirsty.
You come to Cecilia.
Take your time. You're doing good.
Not gonna call me my name.
I can't sit up there.
Flip your light up. There you go.
Got this.
Okay. Okay, you gonna be able to do this on your own, or you want me to get out of the way?
Yeah, please.
Okay, let me.
Oh, you're back.
That's right. I'm gonna get it.
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna come back down again.
Push up, Cecilia. Push up.
There we go.
Push up, Terry. Push up.
Come on, Sam! Yay!
That's it. Hold on, don't go up there yet. She's not clear yet.
Sharon, look at me, smile! Yeah, you did it! You okay?
Yeah.
Come up over this way.
No. But I'm sure there's like.
That's it. That's it. Doing good now. Did you want to come up this way? Or you want to go underneath the rock? What's that? If you want to, you can do whatever you want. Yeah.
So you go up and come back down?
Yeah. There's no reason why not. Do you want to try the outside first or the inside first? Okay. Go put right foot here. Your left foot's going to go here, and then your right foot is going to go there. Okay? And I'm right here.
Well, when this was the last time.
Over here. That's a little more stable. That's it. That's it. 3 points of contact. You got that. Awesome. Go for it. You got this. Just keep going up.
We have to wait a couple million years and it will be approved.
Yes.
Just a couple million years, it's not big time.
I'll have to put that on my calendar.
I'm gonna
yeah,
be
yeah.
dead by then.
I don't know, my old man light's still going.
In 40 years.
Lights still go, huh?
40 years.
Yeah. There's a hole there in the wall there. Put your foot in there and go backwards this way. Oh, that's fine too. That's the way to do it. Just get up there. Awesome.
Easy.
Wow.
You like?
Take your time.
Born to a caver.
Very good. Go ahead.
Taking it to like a not to a cave.
Yeah.
Guys are doing so good with this.
What's that?
They're doing really good.
Yeah. This is such a nice group.
Yeah.
Really are.
Very good.
It's good because it's our last session, and then when we saw which kids were coming in, we're like, oh, that's good.
Yeah. All right. Your turn.
You wanna go, Karen? I go that way. You
You
wanna
can
go
go that way.
Which way? Okay.
Alan had me go this way the last couple of times, so I'll try this way.
Yeah, it's good to try something different, see which one you like better.
I've been trying to come all summer, but back at camp, things started getting. Can you stay in But I got to go whitewater rafting last week.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That'd be nice.
Oh, wait, that's awesome.
Where'd you go?
Jim Thorpe.
Okay.
I choose this way.
You wanted to go that way? Okay.
Yep.
Not much whitewater, but kids love it.
That's good. Right foot, left foot, and then swing over. Other foot there. I'm just going to stay here, just in case you slide.
You.
Very good.
I will wait for Kareem. Hi guys, hi girls.
All right.
Who speaks German? Hi kids. So, this is a food court now. Waving. Woo.
Where's the camera him too?
No, it's cell phone.
Alan, I have a
Are you
question.
not recording? Let's hope you
Oh,
don't
he
drop it.
is. Yeah, it's not secure.
Because if you drop it, that's...
I'm so sorry.
Let's say if you fall, that's gonna be your
I
phone.
know. Hey, Alan,
Yes,
what are the white rocks?
Wait, take a picture.
that's which one?
Like where your foot is, like some of them are really smooth and white. Is that just,
This is the calcite.
that's a calcite?
Yeah, from dripping, and some of it broke off and came down. You can see broken parts like up in
I
there.
don't like that.
Well, that happened a couple 100,000 years ago.
How much did you go?
So the calcite is,
Yeah,
Every time it's a picture.
and then what's the main, what's
Limestone.
the calcite? What?
so all limestone.
Oh, so this is a limestone cave.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go over there. So I can,
Yeah,
let's see if I can
yeah.
do this without stepping on anybody. A little bit. All right. Okay.
Oh my god, it's a footprint.
Hmm?
It's a footprint.
Yeah,
Are we walking
from the last group.
Alan, are we walking that way now?
We are going to go this way in a second.
Alan,
Yeah,
what is this?
that's calcite too. This is from dripping from the ceiling, comes down and starts to form calcite to a stalagmite.
Can it still grow or is done?
It's hard. You know, it's wet up here, so it probably could still grow. A lot of this is wet. When you see it's wet, that means that they call it live. When it's dried out, it doesn't form anymore. There's different parts of the cave that are dry and some that are wet.
And I'm following you, right?
Yeah, I just need a second here to get myself together
Okay.
and explain how we're going to do this.
I'm a smiley
Okay. Well, I want to explain this room real quick. The rocks that we're sitting on.
I touched your helmet.
Okay. The rocks.
Please,
I'm having trouble breathing here. Okay, the rocks that are in this room here that we're sitting on used to be on the ceiling thousands upon thousands of years ago. And they fell down, and you can see they're cemented in with the calcite dripping. So this happened a very long time ago, you could tell, because the calcite has everything kind of cemented in place. This room has a couple of different passages. There's one that goes down over there.
down here?
Yeah, and it goes down here, that direction behind this rock here, and over till it gets to a room that you can stand up in. And then the ceiling of that room, it's about maybe 6-8 feet up. There's a whole this big around. That's a bear to get up into. We're not going to do that right now.
The one this way?
If you go down here, there's a hole here. You could drop down, and it goes into a passage that goes on the other side of this rock. Okay? Now, if we go this way, is the way we're going to go. Okay? Both of those passages meet up with this passage. That's why they call it a maze cave. There's more than one way to get from one point to the next. This one here, as you're going into this crack, okay, you're going to be about 2 feet up off the ground. Okay? And it's about this wide. So, at foot height, and just watch the person in front of you, you're going to put your toes into the crack that's in this wall and shimmy like that. Put your back against the other side and just go sideways. Down. Easy. Really easy. Okay? And if you really don't want to do that, you can drop down to 2 feet. I don't fit down there, so I have to go the whole way. So you can do that if you want, but try to do the shimmy. It's really not that hard to do. Once you get down, it goes down, and eventually gets to the floor, and it's easy just to step down. Okay?
Go, follow. I can't see.
And you'll see how close we are to the surface here.